Joshua Tree, 2012. Girls are cooking some breakfast.
Boil some water for hot chocolate.
Roxy making some pancakes here.
When you guys go out there, you can let the lizards go, okay? But you gotta tell
Oh, man. Somebody peed on it. Can you open it?
I can open it.
No!
That one, John.
No one's leaking problems with the camelback. Dad, everybody's
Rattlesnake Canyon. Good, Roxy?
Yeah.
You should get up in front of them.
Whoa, what else is this?
Oh, the next one.
Only works one.
Or when they get roped in later, get up above them. I don't want to be above anybody. Yeah, man.
Right.
Somebody below me.
Oh, 60 tight.
Hi, I'm John. I'm Austin.
And what are you guys about to do?
We're about to climb
All right.
to an lake.
Oh. Hey, Tanner.
I'm going a different way. I never had a control. Hey, Ronan, let's go this way. I deserve some of those. Hey!
Hi.
Oh, you need something to drink? Here, take this.
Hey, Zia. Oh, watch your head. Tall girls, watch their heads. Short guys are okay. For a little bit.
Hold on. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, Tanner. Yeah. Yeah, good thing Steven's there to stop you, huh?
I know, I told him.
He just would have been like a squished grape juice.
I was like, can you please come to stop me? And so I came up there and then I slid.
They are. I've seen these movies that had dragons in them lately.
Hey, there's another video. Hey, Dad, my necklace.
Whoa, who's that? They break.
You're cheesy.
Who you calling cheesy?
Everybody's cheesy. What was that?
Who you calling cheesy? Did it just fall up on you or catch it or something? I think you catch it.
You don't need me, John. You don't need me, John.
You just go underwater.
Oh, it looked like you were peeing for a second.
Dad, what did they want to see? Wait, why? I can fix it out totally. Come on, dude, just go. Ow!
Why don't you just go that way?
Because then it's not as adventurous. All the way up.
I can stand up here. It's a miracle.
What?
It's a miracle. I can
This
stand
is Zia, the tall girl, in the group.
Yeah. I'm the not tall girl.
Roxy's the not so tall girl.
You found a rattlesnake? Girl.
That's why you have a helmet on.
Eventually, they drove down a winding gravel lane just off Bowery Beach Road. The lights were on. The name on the board said Griffin. Before my aunt and uncle could even get out of the car, the girl opened the door and ran into the house.
Listen, you guys, listen.
Who's that?
That's a big one. That's a nice one.
Hi, Frog. Hi.
Oh!
Throw it.
Drop it on his tummy, see what happens. Drop it. Nice! That's what I'm talking. Oh!
How you doing, Tanner?
Hey, Dad! I'm over here now. Dad, did you bring water? Dad, can you go ahead?
Sure.
Okay, this part I'm scared. Me too.
And this is one of the other tricky parts right here.
Tap on it sounds hollow.
Well, if I think you're looking too good, I'm going to bump you. Give you a push.
No.
Knock you off balance. Really?
If you do, I'll push you up.
No,
Oh, both you behave.
I'm just here to make it more normal, so you don't like when you get there, you might get freaked out a little bit.
Maybe you want to go up to the right a little bit.
I would, Tanner, if I were you.
Right?
Yeah.
See how you can just
You head
climb
right up that
the
little
second
shelf
time
right there.
stairs.
Oh.
It wants to throw you off of the wall a little bit, but it's pretty much it's just a stairway.
Whoa. Is that why you
Getting good video of you. As far as you guys know, I'm harnessed in.
What?
Of course you are.
No, you're
You
not.
will never show otherwise.
Shh. Try not to stay on your knees. One, it makes you bleed.
Two, makes you look like a dork.
Yeah.
Hey!
Just remember, if you fall, you shouldn't die, so you should feel safe.
Honestly, this is a heck of a lot safer than what they were doing before.
Yeah, with way
Yeah.
safer. That is totally the truth.
Get a good picture of Jeff from here.
And what is that, some kind of automatic winder?
That's true. Look at him coming down, you guys.
Go straight down. Good.
Tonight, not right now.
Good job, dude.
Yeah, I say, yeah, man, you kicked it.
I can go through here.
Can I?
it's,
Yeah, I can. It's not going to be fun.
it's not going to be easy, but yeah, you can.
Oh, man, I had a really bad dream a week ago about this. Please, just use your legs first.
Okay.
There you go.
Ow.
Alright. I don't know, should I do that or should I come down the other way?
I don't know, that looks pretty... It looked... I'm like, it would have been a really good video if you fell on me, but I would not have liked it.
I don't think so. I wonder if I could come down there.
Jambalaya. Look at Roxy, settle down.
But
It looks good, but wait till you try it. Make sure you like it. It's very good, yes.
Make sure you guys eat with your mouth closed because you're on camera.
Yes.
I'm gonna do with my mouth. Where's the
That is not apple juice, by the way.
Not yet.
Put your head up.
It's called Things Named Zoxy. Hey, how do you name it? What? I'm not here for what? What'd you name it? God! His name's Zoxy. This whole huge cave goes on forever. If it goes on forever, it's over there in that rock.
Yeah, you want to go over there?
Yeah, come.
Okay. Oh, okay.
There's a huge rock right there.
All right, now climb all the way up that.
What?
Climb all the way up that.
Dad! I have a helmet on. My helmet won't even fit. Wait, Dad, keep the video on for sliding down that. That'd be cool.
You want me down below or you want me up above?
I'll
You
go
slide.
first.
You go first, okay.
I don't need help. I already did it.
He's gonna slide. Might want to scoot back. Yeah, there you go.
See my feet?
Yeah. You came back up again? Crazy bugger. Crazy booger.
I got some crazy bushes in this wind.
Yeah, doggy. Kiss.
I'm kidding.
You should have fit it.
Alright, let him
It's
go.
all about the stick. You make him look at the stick and then you get him in the foot. Then you get him by the foot. It's cool, huh?
He's on the wall. Sweet. Oh, just one more bolt, and he's up to the top. Almost there. He's gone.
Oh yeah, that's some shitty. That was, yeah, nice.
Okay. I'm done. I'm done. Why was his tail off? Yeah, this guy got his tail off. One's up my shirt.
Look at baby. Look at little baby one. There's cactus in the butt.
Cactus in the butt.
Cactus in the butt. Cactus in the butt.
What? Cactus in the butt?
Carnage. Carnage.
You guys still owe me $10 per person because I got 25 hot dogs. I got 25 hamburgers, 16 hot dogs. I got food for everybody.
This is what we came back to our tent.
Oh no, look at mine.
Yeah, I've cleaned out most of the inside stuff. Got one more case there, but trash. Pole's broken. This is Dan Kaplan's tent here.
Not where I left it.
It got a little worked. Although the weather's pretty nice now, but this is Steve Simpson's tent. This is what it ended up looking like. Not a good thing.
Hold on. Let me flash.
Shredded.